Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you can be joining me today. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things you can do to make new friends in a new country. However, quick caveat, I'm avoiding what I think are surface level, quite obvious things like join a run club or join a football team. Don't get me wrong, these are both great tools, but as I say, in my opinion, they're a bit surface level and I'd be surprised if you hadn't thought of them before. So without further ado, let's get into it. Tip number 1, redefine what friend means at the start. When you first move, most people expect instant best friends. This is unrealistic. At the start, focus on simple, low-pressure connections. The people you say hi to at the gym or the colleague you chat to over coffee, someone you see every week at a class. These small interactions really matter. They're the foundation that eventually becomes real friendship. Don't chase depth immediately, let it build. Tip number 2, become a regular, not a hunter. So instead of bouncing around to 100 events, pick a few places and show up consistently. This is the key here. Go to the same cafe, the same gym class, the same run club. And I know at the start I said I'm not just going to say go to a run club, but this is different. The tip here is if you do go to a run club, go consistently, week in, week out. Don't just show up once in a blue moon. Familiarity does work more than confidence. People open up when they've seen you around 10 times. Being a regular is one of the easiest social hacks abroad. Just pitch up every time and it will really work. Tip number 3, be the inviter and don't take flakiness personally. When you move country, you'll often be the one who makes the first move. You'll be the one suggesting coffee, starting the chat, or organising the plan. People will cancel, people will forget, people will be flaky. This is completely normal. Everyone's busy and everyone has their own life. Treat this like practice, not rejection. The right people do stick. Also be mindful of other people's living situations. For example, I'm in a place where there are a lot of expats. And expats, they tend to travel more, they'll be going out, they'll be going home to see their family. They tend to be actually, unless you're somewhere quite far away, they're quite unavailable. So don't take flakiness personally, just be consistent and remember to be the organizer. Okay, so tip number 4, look for bridge people. Your closest friends abroad often don't come from the first people you meet, but actually from the people around them. So this could be a friend of a friend at dinner, or someone you meet once who later introduces you to their circle. Try and think in networks, not individuals. Every person is a potential bridge into a community you don't know exists yet. One of the first people I met here, where I'm now living, I just met him at the pub on an off chance, and he has introduced me to so many people here. And he's now a massive part of my group, but I'm as friendly with all his friends now as he was at the start. That was my example of a bridge person. Okay, tip number 5, the final tip. Build a life you enjoy and then invite people into it. The truth is, friendships form much faster when your life already has momentum. Find hobbies you genuinely enjoy, routines that feel good, and places you like going. This also ties in with one of the previous tips about consistency. So you're going to be much more consistent at the hobby if you enjoy doing it. And then you invite people to join you. It's so much easier to connect when you're not just trying to make friends. You're actually sharing things that you already like. The energy is magnetic and the ice is already broken because you're talking about things that you have in common and you already enjoy doing. This is super important and I cannot stress it enough. So guys, to summarize, making friends abroad does take time, but it's absolutely possible no matter your age. Do not think that your age is a barrier. There will be others like you, trust me. Most of the time, it starts smaller, quieter, and more slowly than you would expect, but stick with it. Your people are certainly out there. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.